Well, so let's get started. Okay, good morning canal. So this video is going to be an update on how I moisturize my hair. I actually did a video about this probably about 2 years ago, and to be honest, ever since then I have been looking for a product that's going to moisturize the hair without causing it to revert. And then this evening I went to the beauty supply store to just try to find another product I could do trial and error on to see if anything would work. And as I was walking through the aisles, I found this, the Hair Fertilizer by ORS. Now, I've actually talked about this in a previous video, but for some reason I picked it up. I was just like, let me look at it again. I was reading it and I was like, wait, I've always just put this on my scalp to help with stimulating hair growth, but you're actually also supposed to put it on your ends too. I remember that I would sometimes put it on my ends, but I just thought that I was doing that just because, but this product is made to go on your ends as well, and it doesn't cause your hair to revert. So the great thing about this is that it's actually a little bit more affordable than the Designing Rose H2O. You can see the consistency here. It's very creamy, but it's not watery, not at all. Oh my gosh, it feels like a moisturizer. That's the problem I have with just trying a lot of these other moisturizers. They just felt too much like water. This is super creamy, and the smell is very light, very light. I don't even know what I would describe the smell as. Probably the nettle leaf and horsetail extract. I think that's what those things smell like. So what I want to do now is show you guys my updated moisture routine that I'm going to do in these next couple of weeks to really help with stimulating hair growth. And I'm going to start off by using ORS Hair Fertilizer with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. So my hair is a hot mess, as you can see. I washed it probably about a week ago, a week and some days, and I've just been wearing it in a bun. I actually did another week in my hair. I don't know if I'm going to upload it quite yet because I feel like right now it's not too much going on in there, but I'll probably end up still uploading it if you guys want to see it, because I do some like different things some nights to my hair. And when I moisturize my hair now, I always make sure to get these edges because they've been on the struggle bus. Really got to make sure I don't continue to break them off with neglecting them. Like, I have to make sure that they're being moisturized just like the rest of my hair. So again, this does have a smell, but the smell is not, the smell to me is more like an earthy, natural type smell as opposed to the Mizani, which is more of a perfume type smell. This one isn't as overwhelming. So I got this in my scalp. What my mom does, or my mom used to do with us growing up, is she would part our hair and she would just moisturize each part going back like that. I think that is the true way to do it, but I'm not good at parting my hair. And now I'm going to take, I'm really heavy-handed, but I'm just going to take this and saturate my ends with it, and this is not going to revert it. And to seal in this moisture, I'm going to add an oil. Shout out to the subscriber who put me on to Camille Rose. This is the Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. And I just got this in the mail this week and I am obsessed. The consistency of the oil is still pretty light, maybe like a medium weight oil, but it's not heavy at all. It smells very pretty, very light as well. And I'm just going to put this all on my scalp. I talked about this in my last video of the little beauty supply store haul that I had, and I also got the conditioner, which I'm really excited to try, by Camille Rose as well. But this has a lot of great stuff in it, and it's all natural. It has virgin almond oil, virgin sesame seed oil, virgin coconut oil, golden jojoba oils, virgin olive oil. Like, it has a whole bunch of stuff that's just going to really help with stimulating hair growth. It says that you support in your hand and apply to your scalp, but I actually like to just apply it directly to my scalp. And last but not least, no matter what you moisturize your hair with, make sure you distribute the products with a paddle brush. And with that paddle brush, you want to make sure to paddle brush your scalp to just help with stimulating your scalp and the product that's in it so that it can really help with stimulating hair growth. And I like to just brush my hair for at least a minute. You also want to make sure you're getting the shedded hairs out because that's going to minimize single strand knots and your hair from tangling up with each other and breaking. I don't know if I mentioned that my hair is in a blow dried state, so that's why it's this poofy or whatever. But in a night when my hair is in its blow dried state, I don't wrap it. This is just too much hair to wrap, and it's not like I'm bringing my hair down anyway. But I take a satin scrunchie, make sure that it's satin, and I just put my hair in a loose bun like this. And that's just because I've been keeping my hair in a bun lately, and I don't want to keep putting that pressure of the ponytail, like squeezing my ends day and night, because it's going to continue to weaken my ends. So just try to give it a break. So this is how I moisturize my hair without reversion. Let me know if you guys have a particular product you use that helps to moisturize your hair without reversion. I would love to try those out, so make sure you leave that in the comment section below. Y bueno, nada más a decir, hasta el video próximo.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.